Binance next crypto to collapse? Will Binance be the next domino to fall in the crypto space? The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange is under investigation for possible money laundering by the DOJ. FTX, the world's second-largest crypto exchange, went bankrupt last month, owing investors over $10 billion after their balance sheets were revealed, showing that the firm was insolvent, thus prompting investors to withdraw all their funds as quickly as possible. The number of crypto industry failures is rising as it's being revealed by how many of these crypto exchanges have been careless with investors' funds. Could Binance be the next crypto to fall? Hi, and welcome back to another video of Finance Sense, where we cover all the latest trends in the financial markets and the economy. Before we start, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to stay updated with our videos. Now, let's get to the video proper. Changpeng Zhao, famously known as CZ, is a serial entrepreneur who created Binance in Hong Kong in 2017. CZ began his career in the blockchain industry as the head of development for blockchain.info. He later served as the chief technology officer of OKCoin for a short period of time. His vision for Binance was to build a trading platform free from fiat currency. In July 2017, Binance held an initial coin offering, ICO, through which they raised $15 million from investors. In its first 3 months, the firm recorded a daily transaction volume of $500 million. By October 2017, the company was earning roughly $7.5 million in commission fees, with a 0.1 trading fee. Many reasons for their rapid early growth may be attributed to Binance's emphasis on trading all coins, with over 600 cryptocurrencies available for purchase and sale on the site. Additionally, it offers all its users access to a cryptocurrency wallet, where they can save their electronic funds. Currently, trading commissions, margin charges, and interest on cryptocurrency loans account for Binance's revenue. Additionally, it has a coin called BNB, or Binance Coin, which is traded on its platform. The first problem starts here. For those unfamiliar, a token is essentially a sort of cryptocurrency that can be used as an asset and sits on top of a blockchain. To put things into context, crypto coins are like money, and crypto tokens are like coupons and vouchers. In 2017, Binance developed its own token, known as BNB Coin, where users could acquire BNB as a reward for trading and recommending friends to the platform. Then, companies may use these tokens to partially offset and lower the trading fees they must pay on financial exchanges. Moreover, Crypto.com and even eToro let you purchase and trade BNB coins. From this, you are essentially buying and selling Binance vouchers. However, buying a token doesn't give you any ownership in Binance, and it isn't a security registered with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The value of these tokens can be viewed as useless for any purpose other than minimizing trading costs. So, several individuals wondered why these businesses made them available for trading. The FTX's own token, FTT, was the root cause of its collapse. For FTX, FTT was a significant source of growth and income. Investors were attracted to the concept of FTT because FTX offered incentives for owning FTT, including trading discounts and even VIP status. However, it later became clear that FTX was actually borrowing funds based on the value of the FTT token, thereby leveraging printed fiat currency to access actual money. CZ personally declared that he would liquidate any remaining shares of FTT on their books after a CoinDesk article was published, citing current information that has come to light. Investors immediately raced to withdraw their money from FTT, sparking a $6 billion bank run. Unable to supply its clients with the liquidity they needed, FTX halted withdrawals. A few days later, FTX declared bankruptcy. The FTT token is currently selling at under $1, which is 98% below its all-time high from 2021. With its BNB coin, Binance effectively provides the same thing. So why do we need these tokens in the first place? And does this overpriced loyalty program solve an issue worth over $43 billion? Unfortunately, Binance is not very transparent because there is so little regulation in the cryptocurrency industry. The second aspect where investors should exercise caution with Binance is its withdrawal history. You only learn about what these organizations do with clients' funds after it's too late. Binance has had some big problems in the past with stopping custom withdrawals and not being clear enough about the reasons why. The number of negative internet reviews about it is growing since it keeps occurring at odd times. It's common in the crypto industry that when there is a lot of traffic on an exchange's platform, an exchange may temporarily suspend withdrawals or even go down. However, one of the worst cases for business was the one that was revealed in May of last year. Users had coins caught in limbo and were effectively unable to access their money for months. They all had verified accounts on the site, so when Binance was questioned about it, they attributed it to compliance difficulties, confusing some of these clients. For several months, one user held several $1,000s in a Binance account. He had to go so far as to gather the necessary paperwork for his own finances, which were filed in January but weren't cleared until 4 months later. He said that when he repeated his request to have his funds released, he was sent a number of vague emails stating that his particular case was not on hold, and he assumed that many other people were in the same situation. Having doubts about your ability to withdraw money from Binance whenever you want may be awful, but it's hardly the greatest problem. They are currently dealing with some significant legal and corruption issues that may force them out of business. At this point, Binance hasn't shown any concrete evidence that it hasn't let criminals use its platform to launder money. This may result in serious criminal charges against Binance and possibly prison sentences for those responsible. Binance denies any participation in two particular corruption-related situations. The first is in relation to Binance's operations in the UK. According to a Reuters report, hundreds of corporate emails, texts, and documents spanning from 2017 to 2022 were examined together with the testimonies of about 30 former employees who served as consultants and business partners. And from this, they learned that CZ had approved a 2022 plan to backdate a business document in an effort to avoid getting caught by a new financial law in the UK that only applied to firms founded after a specific date. These sorts of documents backdating are pretty serious and are regarded as fraud. Criminal charges may be filed, but the problem doesn't end there. The UK-based joint venture of Binance has accused the cryptocurrency exchange of underreporting its financial performance by tens of millions of pounds for its UK business. This recurring trend of Binance falsifying papers in its business procedures raises several red flags, but it's not the only one. CZ authorized a strategy to insulate Binance from regulatory scrutiny in the United States in 2018, attempting to hide its traces by launching Binance.us, a new Binance that complies with US regulations. In essence, they're trying to divert attention from Binance.com, where it's likely that money laundering operations have occurred. Now, when Forbes first covered the topic, this Binance method was referred to as the Tai Chi strategy. Although Binance did sue Forbes for this, the case was subsequently withdrawn by Binance since nothing came of it. CZ maintains that he never authorized any plans for Binance.us. But the article claims that 2 workers were there when CZ approved the proposal, all in an effort to keep US customers from leaving. Binance got involved in more legal disputes earlier this month as a result of processing $8 billion worth of transactions with Iranian organizations since 2018, despite U.S. banking and trade sanctions. It was found that Nobitex and Binance, the 2 biggest cryptocurrency exchanges in Iran, were the parties involved in the majority of these transactions. In response, Binance stated that Binance.com is not a U.S.-based business and has taken deliberate measures to reduce its exposure to the Iranian market. Meanwhile, Dr. Doom, a well-known economics professor, recently criticized CZ on stage at the Abu Dhabi Finance Week by saying, "What are the 7 C's of crypto? Concealed, corrupt, crooks, criminals, conman, carnival markers, and finally, CZ, that was just on the stage right now. I can't believe that CZ and Binance has a license to operate in the UAE. It's banned in the UK, is under investigation by US Justice Department for money laundering $8 billion money from Iran, and he's here on this stage and he has residence in this country. The regulators should be thinking carefully. That's a walking time bomb. CZ then hit back with this response: "We don't care. Yeah, there are people who try to become famous by attacking other people. I believe strongly that people who face on negative energy never make it very far in life. Those people will generally stay poor." Responding with "we don't care" gives the impression that CZ is pretty closed off to opposing viewpoints. In light of CZ's newfound fame, it would be wise to listen to and digest the criticism provided by the people to improve his company's services to the public and its clientele. What else could he possibly not care about if not criticism? It's difficult to think that a company is innocent of all the accusations that are being made against it right now. The lesson here is that anyone interested in trading cryptocurrencies should only do so with money they can afford to lose. There are no protections, regulations, or insurance, and there is minimal transparency on these firms' exact use of investors' money. It appears that we have reached the end of this video. Thank you for watching this far. Please subscribe and give a like if you enjoyed this video, and comment your thoughts below. This is Finance Sense, helping you keep up with all the latest trends in the financial markets and the economy. See you next time!